Standard Carbon is a technological solution for accountants who are seeking to verify investments in greenhouse gas reductions as part of their ESG goals. When a company makes an investment to reduce greenhouse gases, we provide the technological solution to actually quantify, measure, and verify that that reduction's actually happened. Because once you've got that in place, you can be certain that the money that's being spent is actually generating value. Whereas right now, if that feedback isn't coming back to the company, it's a lot harder to quantify and to be certain that you've actually achieved, what the goals were in that ESG investment that was made. Standard Carbon uses artificial intelligence and blockchain to provide an accelerated means of doing the assurance, so we can speed up the accounting practitioner in being able to actually perform the verification functions to say, rather than spending all the time gathering the data, processing the data, accountants aren't environmental scientists. And so it's not fair for us to give them complicated enviro-sci reports and details that they're not really equipped to deal with. And so what Standard Carbon does is we translate that enviro-sci into the language of accounting and finance so that decisions can get made in a much more fluid fashion. And so artificial intelligence comes into play when we look at large data sets and we're seeking to look for anomalous patterns, or that we're looking to integrate sort of data sets into reporting and just automating and speeding all of that process up. As well, we can look at being able to find fraudulent activities where a human may not be able to pick that out of a large data set. And so rather than sort of sampling a small number of a subset of transactions, you can perform accounting processes on the entire data set. And that's a very powerful aspect of artificial intelligence that enables the human to do their job in a quicker fashion. We use blockchain so that we've got that audit immutability, so that from the very first time that data starts to get recorded, that data becomes that record, so there's a lot lower trust required to be able to do that. So we're seeking to reduce the audit risk through the use of blockchain and AI. Standard Carbon, myself personally, very excited to be part of the Accelerator because of access to the body of knowledge that comes from the mentors and then interacting with our peers as well. This is the place where the thinkers are, the thought leaders in accounting, pushing the profession forward. And as a non-accountant, to be able to engage with the experts that are here is just unparalleled. Certainly a lot of exposure is going to come to Standard Carbon that we're very excited for. As an entrepreneur, being able to get out in front of a broader audience is always very valuable, but truly being able to make sure that our company is solving the problem that accountants are facing around their environmental assurances, that's really what's exciting for us.